Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to take non-stop multiple photos with just one click in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung smartphone. So firstly just open the camera application, and now here you will see one settings icon. Just tap on it, and now here you can see swipe shutter button too. Just tap on this option, and now just select this take burst shot. Just enable this, and now even you can see the instructions. You need to swipe down the shutter button in order to take a burst shot. So after enabling this option, just move back, and now let me take one picture. So now what you need to do is just swipe down this shutter button towards the downwards, just like this. Keep on holding, and once done you can release it. And even when you are taking a picture in the landscape mode, just swipe it towards the right side. Once done, just release. So let us check the pictures. So let me show you. So you can see here total number of 62 photos have been captured. Just tap on it. Now we'll see here different pictures. So using this method you can easily take non-stop multiple photos with just one click in Samsung smartphone running One UI very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.